Hi, welcome back to Sevens Construction. You already know, working on the coronavirus. We're out here, we're getting it. So we're over here working on a garage door. We finally got it to get open. Yay. So this is how it's looking. So we got it open, as you can see, and put in some pieces from the inside. Got the pieces done. And we're going to be installing the sides and the detention cord, so it'll be able to be on the track and on the side onto the pulley, pull it up and down without having to go through anything. As you can see, we're going to be changing that wire that's there. Is right here. So we're going to be changing those out. And then it'll be able to go up and down. The door kind of shifted, as you guys can see, because the ground settled over here. So we're going to make it work. Sevens Construction, stay tuned. You already know.